In this video, I'll show you how to invoice a client with QuickBooks. First, log into your QuickBooks account and open the company you want to use. Next, click plus Create in the top left corner and select Invoice. Now, choose the customer you want to invoice from the Customer drop-down menu. If the client isn't already in QuickBooks, select Add a new customer and enter their basic contact information. After that, check the invoice date and payment terms, and update them if needed. Next, go to the Product or Service section and select what you're charging the client for. Enter the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax. If you need to add more services or products, click Add Product or Service and enter the additional details. Now, review the subtotal, taxes, and total amount to make sure everything is correct. You can also add a message or memo for your client if you need to provide additional information. After that, review the payment options and make sure the settings are correct. Once everything looks good, click Save and Send to save the invoice and email it directly to your client. Before sending it, check the client's email address, invoice amount, and payment due date one more time. Finally, you can return to Sales or Invoices to track the invoice status and see when your client views or pays it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to invoice a client with QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.